How to log into Xfinity email. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log into Xfinity. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you'll need to search for Xfinity. After you search for Xfinity, simply head over to its website. So head over to connect.xfinity.com. It will take you to its app suite where you can sign in. So just let it load. You can directly head over to login.xfinity.com as well. As you can see right here, this is the website. So after it loads, you'll just have to enter your username here. After you type in your username, tap on let's go, and then it will take you to another page where you can type in your password. After you type in your password, make sure that if you want to keep yourself signed in, you can checkbox this. After you type in your password, just hit sign in and you're good to go. And that's basically how you can sign in into Xfinity. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.